Hello, this is Equations and Inequalities, solving absolute value equations and inequalities, example 5. And example 5 is very similar to example 4. And here we have a tolerance, and this has to do with bowling pins. And it's described quite differently. It says the bowling pin has to be between 50 and 58. It doesn't give an ideal weight, but the ideal weight is going to be right in between here, and we would take the average. So to take the average, we'd add 50 and 58, that's 108, and divide by 2. 108 divided by 2 is 54. So 54 is the ideal weight for my bowling pin. Now the tolerance, 54 is ideal, and the tolerance can be plus or minus 4. See, this is the ideal, and the tolerance is going to be 4 ounces. So 50 ounces would be acceptable. Also 58 ounces would be acceptable. So 4 is the tolerance. And in the last, we're going to use almost the same model. This is the model we used for acceptable acceptable weights for a cereal box. Here it's different. We have to we're wondering which ones we should reject. So the model for the ones we're going to reject are the ones that are greater than this tolerance. So it's going to be actual minus ideal, the absolute value of actual minus ideal, just like the last time. But this time it's the ones we're going to reject, so that's going to be greater than the tolerance. So the actual is x, it's the absolute value of x minus the ideal. The ideal is 54, greater than the tolerance, which is 4. That's the absolute value equation.